From the quality control of the oils, we prefer a medical grade ozonated oil, and it's essential that they are produced but under a strict good manufacturing practice. This means ensuring high quality control throughout the entire production process. The oil must be prepared in a well-designed reactor using the best raw material and carefully managing key reaction variables like the time of reaction, the ozone concentration, the success of ozone, the movement rate, temperature, etc. It's important also to submit the final product to the high quality control using different variables, for instance, from organoleptic variables, physical-chemical measurement, and also the biological analysis of this, the final component, in order to guarantee that it will be high quality, in order to don't produce toxic component like maltonyl, the aldehyde, formaldehyde, etc.